Welcome to the show and the fireside chat over here. Hope you're actually enjoying MWC 24. Let's actually begin by looking at the journey that we, between Mycom OSI and Globe, that we have actually collaborated since 2015, if you like, kind of going through the whole in quest of providing the best customer experience in Philippines, how Globe have actually evolved in consolidating the service experience management platforms, right, over the years for a variety of different services, including mobile, broadband, and enterprise services.
I think we are really on the right track in terms of moving forward to achieve our service assurance roadmap. No? So in Globe, our number one big play is actually customer obsession. There are 4 or 5 key programs that we have implemented, and of course together with Mycom as our partner, where we initiated what we call the zero-touch operation. And zero-touch operation, of course, I don't need to explain, coming from the process of auto-detection, correlation, up to remediation. This really helped us to have a better view, not only in terms of what customers are experiencing, but also on the network point of view. I believe we have more visibility of the network health if we will just rely on the legacy platforms that we have. So number one is the zero-touch operation, which is basically the roadmap that both of us, we have agreed way back before, right? Number 2 is, of course, what we call applying the end-to-end digital service management. Because tools and platforms, as we said, will not be as effective as it is if there is really not proper maneuvering and managing of all of these capabilities, right? So we started to digitalize, not only to the point of ITSM, ticketing, so on and so forth, but building all these capabilities like CMDB, knowledge database, which is a complete ecosystem of our service assurance, right? Third is, let's not forget that we need also to transform our process. The reason why we are automating is to get rid of all those manual processes. And in this regard, we're able actually to allow to streamline and improve our turnaround time in terms of providing what are those information to our customer, restoring it to the timeline or SLA that we have agreed with them, and actually, in fact, even providing them a notification that, hey, Mr. Customer, we have a problem, we are fixing it, so don't worry. So in that regard, Jithu, we allow them to feel good because we shared to our customer that we are actually on top of their issues. The last but not the least is uplifting the operating model. So we talk about the platform, we talk about the process. The most important is the people in the operating model, where we are transitioning and transforming to what we call service operations center, where people are more focused in terms of understanding what's the impact to the service and what's the impact to the customer. We partner with Mycom. What we have done here is change the new ways of working, where we did not deliver this more on a project or program point of view. We deliver this to a more value-driven or value stream. If you remember, we created some of these work streams where, okay, you are the value stream leader for this service for B2B, you are a value stream leader for mobile, you are a value stream leader for broadband. And what does it mean, value stream? The team mindset is focused more on the ROI, which means we deliver the service, the benefits, not the milestone. And for example, in the B2B, coming from a very complex requirement in terms of IP RAN, M1, IP core, and different core data requirements, we're able to deploy it in less than 3 months.
So the value creation and the value realization program absolutely quantifies all of those benefits right from the MTTX, where we have actually witnessed to over 88%.
Yes.
And then in terms of the operational efficiencies that we have created, leading to the zero-touch automation.
Actually, Jithu, just to share, no, the enterprise people are very much happy because our MTTR from 56 minutes is now down to less than 3 minutes.
Wow.
And that allows us, of course, to achieve the SLA that we have committed to our customer. Our costs, we're not only achieving our operational efficiency, but we have the opportunity to upsell and make it as an opportunity to sell this kind of services.
Exactly. That then actually directly links with how you are able to roll out new services to your end customers on all of these different domains, especially broadband and enterprise, including the mobile services that we have actually witnessed. And that's all been made possible through this strong link between resource, service, and the customer, along with that end-to-end automation piece that we have actually achieved out here.
And our plan is to use Mycom Pro Assure to be the major correlator. So you can imagine, the customer will not only experience this kind of issue where we need to wait for the outage to happen or for the alarms to happen. If you are not, for example, you're my customer, since we have what we call the CEM, where we define what we call the CEI, the Customer Experience Index, I can immediately find out that you already have a problem without the alarm.
Absolutely.
So we are more predicting. Just help us to continue this vision of customer obsession.
Absolutely.
That is the key word that we have to.
We got it.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it.